Darrel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this amazing website absolutely free with no knowledge of coding or anything required. So let's go ahead and take a look at our website. Let's see what we got going on here. This is a roofing company right here, and this is actually for a client, and I'm making a website for their business. And as you can tell, re-roofing, roof repairs, restoration and maintenance. We have a gallery right here, our recent roofs, pictures of all the work they've done. And we have our latest blog, something if they want to talk about, tips for getting your roof done, the best things about our company. We have a call to action button right here. They can get a free quote. And we can go ahead and scroll up and meet the staff. I'm going to be teaching you how to put in these pictures. I'm also going to be teaching you how to do this quickly and efficiently without actually having to spend a lot of time with Page Builder, because Page Builder can get very tedious. Let's click on About Our Company. And right here we have a picture. We are your #1 company. Who we are, what we do, with a call to action button, and our Contact Us page. Now this last part is a little bit important. A lot of WordPress themes have a tendency to send emails to spam. And that's probably one of the biggest complaints with WordPress. And this theme actually does it by itself sometimes. I'm going to teach you how to make it so your emails go exactly to your inbox, not as spam, because I've had this problem before with other clients and they say, hey, it always goes to spam. I'll show you guys how to fix this so you will not have that problem. And I was checking out these other websites. This one right here. I mean, look at these prices these people have. $5,000 for a do-it-yourself tool. They don't even build it for you. They just want they just want your money, right? Crazy. I just look at this other website right here. A $2,500 website to put a contact form page up. It's simply crazy. And also this logo design, $1,000. I'm going to show you guys how to get an amazing logo for $5. And a professional is going to do it, and they're going to give you unlimited revisions until you like it and love it. So let's go back to our website. All right, so let's go ahead and get started today. All right, first we're going to go on over to Hostgator. Hostgator. And I can't spell. All right, let's go and click on their ad. Sorry, I charged them money. That actually charges them money. Go ahead and click on Get Started Now. All right, so we're left with 3 plans right here. The Hatchling Plan, the Baby Plan, and the Business Plan. In all of my videos, I always recommend the Baby Plan, because the Baby Plan, you get unlimited domains rather than just one domain. So go ahead and click on Sign Up Now. I really recommend the Baby. I don't recommend the Hatchling. Just don't do that. Click on Sign Up Now. And this is where you're going to enter in your domain name. So DarrelWilson.com or yourwebsite50.com. I'm going to go ahead and enter a I love Kylo Ren, and it's available. So whatever website you want to go ahead and put, go ahead and enter that in right there. And go ahead and then check this domain privacy protection. All right, so our package type is going to be our baby, and I'm going to do the month to month for now. I think the month to month is a little easier. And under our username, you can put in something like Han Solo Fan 99, and just go ahead and put in a password. Now this is very important because you're going to have to verify your account with the customer service reps. So make sure you remember your security PIN. And here you're going to enter in your email address and you're going to confirm it. It's very important you put this in correctly because they're going to send you login information to log into your cPanel. Next, you're going to enter in your first, your last name, your company, all this information right here. And if you want to enter with credit card, you're going to put your name on the credit card and your credit card number as well, and whatever else information this is. Now our next section we have here, we have these additional services. And if you've seen my other videos, I don't recommend any of these because we can do these with plugins for free. So we're going to go ahead and uncheck these boxes right here. All right, so let's go ahead and keep scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down. I have our own coupon code that we're going to use. So we're going to enter QuickFeb30, QuickFeb30, and it's going from $26.95, and now it's going to $21.91. So we've saved quite a bit of money. Now this is just a one-time fee. You're going to have to pay this for your domain, but don't worry, you get it for an entire year. No one can touch your domain name. Once you're done, you can click on I have read, and then you're going to click on checkout. And once you do click on the checkout button, you'll be brought to this page right here. And this page is sort of welcome to the family, congratulations, welcome to the Hostgator family. And you'll be brought to your customer portal right here. But before you get into all this other stuff right here, we're going to go and check our email first. Because they're going to send us our login information for our cPanel, and that is the most important. So go to your email, the one that you've used. I have, look at this, 8,449 messages. Jesus, so many. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to click on that email that you get from Hostgator, and it's going to be like this. It could either be from sales, it could be from no reply, it can be from, they kind of change it up once in a while. I've noticed that about Hostgator, but I love them. So next, you're getting your control panel login right here, and your username and your password. So go ahead and click on your control panel right here. Now once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and enter in your username right up here and your password right up here. So go ahead, and once you're done, go ahead and click on login. All right, login successful. It's redirecting us. Congratulations. Oh, you know what? I forgot to put this in right here. So, you know what? There are some steps to this. First, get our domain. Get hosting. Can't spell. Install WordPress. Make website. So, we have got our domain. Done. Did we get hosting? Yes. Done. Installing WordPress. Now, we're going to go ahead and install WordPress. This is the bread and butter for making your website. This is going to install everything and make it very easy for you to create your website. You don't need any knowledge of coding or anything whatsoever. So on this page, go ahead and scroll down. Scroll down, and you're going to get to a section called Software and Services. When you get to this section, go ahead and click on Quick Install. All right, we're working, we're going. All right, so now you're brought to this page right here. You're going to want to go and click on Install WordPress right here. And we want to install WordPress for free. Go ahead and click on Install WordPress. And go ahead and click on this little arrow right here, this little drop-down menu right here. And you're given a list of websites right here. As you guys can tell, I have quite a bit of websites. I'm going to go to wilsonroofingonline.com. Make sure to install nothing here. I actually had a client who installed something there, and now his website says wilsonroofing.wordpress.com, and it doesn't look good, and he's a little upset, but what are you going to do? So next, we're going to have to put in our email, our blog title, howdy, and our admin user. So go ahead and put, Darrel or something, or I'll enter Han Solo, yeah. And our first name and our last name, and now we want to install WordPress. So go ahead and click on Install WordPress. Just put no thanks, I'm a web designer. They always do that to make you feel bad. They want you to buy their stuff. We're not going to buy anything. All right, great. Your install is complete. Click here to view your notifications. So go ahead and click on this little drop-down menu right here. Now this is the admin area. This is where you're going to log into WordPress. This is your username, and this is your password for WordPress. Now guys, this might take an hour or 2 or 3 hours, or it could be instant. It really depends on how fast Hostgator synchronizes WordPress. So if you click on it and it goes to a portal or blank page, don't panic. Just go ahead and give it time. I'm going to go ahead and give it a click on right now. Let's see what happens. All right, I didn't have to wait at all. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in my information right here. So I'm going to enter in the Han Solo and my other password right here. So go ahead and put in this information, put in the Han Solo, and type in your password right here. And once you're done, you can click on Remember Me or not. It's up to you. And go ahead and click on Log In. This is LastPass. It's an amazing program. You guys have seen me talk about it. I'm not going to, it's just amazing. It saves my life. I don't have to remember any passwords or anything like that. It's pretty great. So I just did that for tutorial purposes. I wanted to show you guys how to install WordPress. Now we're going to go to my other website, this website right here, and I'm actually going to erase everything. Don't tell them I did this. I put it construction mode so they can't see. So I'm going to go to my dashboard. I actually installed a plugin, and this plugin, it erases the entire website. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Tools, and I'm going to go to Reset. You don't need to see this. And in case your website just turns into complete, dog poop, you can actually do this too. I'm going to go ahead and click on Reset. And what this is going to do, it's going to erase my entire WordPress website. Everything is going to be gone. Everything. So we saw that website earlier before. Visit the site, and now it's completely erased. Everything is gone. I cannot get it back. So we were at this other page right here. So I'm going to go ahead and close this, and now we're going to use this as the tutorial right now. All right. So let's go ahead and go to our dashboard. And before we begin, let's go ahead and change that horrible password that we had. So go over Settings. Go to Users and click on Users. And now click on your username. And, I kind of want to, you can change these appearances however you like it. What did I do last time? I think I did red or something. All right, let's do purple. Yeah, we'll do this color. Yeah, why not? Okay. So once you're done, go ahead and scroll down. And right here, it's going to say Account Management and New Password. Click on Generate Password. And this is the pattern it generated. However, we're going to go ahead and put in our own website, or our own password. Sorry. So go ahead and put in something. I'm going to put Han Solo is fun 99. And I'm going to confirm the use of password, and I'm going to update the profile. And I'm going to go ahead and save it under my LastPass so I know. Yep. So now whenever I go to this website, it's automatically logged in for me. All right, great. Let's go ahead and click on the visit site. And as you guys can tell, it's very ugly and boring. It doesn't look good. It looks absolutely terrible. Now, before we begin, I'm going to go ahead and say, let's go to our notepad. And we've installed WordPress. All right, so congratulations. We're on our way there. So we got our domain. We got our hosting. We've all installed WordPress. Done. So next, let me go ahead and close these tabs of these overpriced websites. I can't believe this. 5,000 for a do-it-yourself tool. That's crazy. All right, anyways, so next we need to go ahead and install our theme. Now, the theme is the bread and butter of your website. It is the architecture. It is everything about your website. So up to here on this little dash up here, this little, your logo is, go ahead and click on Themes. Now, you're given a huge variety of themes. As you guys can see, I have, quite a bit. I always like looking for new talent. I always like looking for new themes and different things to try on because, I like to try new things. So for our theme, we're going to install the Enigma theme right here. However, if you can't find it, because I've probably already searched for it, you're going to click on Add New. And under here, type in Enigma. As you guys can see right there, it's already installed for me. Wow, this one looks just like it too. It's pretty crazy how that works. So once you guys have installed Enigma, right there, it says already installed. Huh? Okay, great. Let's go and visit our website. It's not installed. All right. So I guess there's a WordPress error that happens a lot. So right now this one's active. We're gonna go ahead and activate Enigma. Go ahead and click on Activate. All right, so now that we've made this, we're going to go click on the visit website, and look at that. The website has changed drastically. And sometimes, guys, WordPress does make errors. You guys just saw my tutorial. It said it was installed. It was not installed. That happens all the time. So if you guys run into things like that, don't get frustrated. Just kind of work your way around it or refresh the page. It happens. So Wilson Roofing Co. just on the WordPress website. Now we've installed our theme. Now we can begin designing it, customizing it, and making it look good to what we want it to look like. So first, let's go ahead and go to our Customize button. Let's make this website from the startup. And the thing I love about this theme is that it's just already almost done. All you have to do is just simply, just put in your information, put in your pictures, and just insert your information. That's it. It's a very good theme. I really recommend it. And we need to go ahead and put it on our pages as well. So let's go ahead and add in our pages first. So right here under dashboard, click on dashboard and click on pages and then click on add new. I'm sorry, don't click on pages, go to pages and then click on add new. So remember we had our about us page. About us, and go ahead and click on publish. And up here click on add new. Our team. And then go ahead and click on publish. Now for your website, you're going to go ahead and put in whatever you would like. If you want to do our team of professionals, you can go ahead and put in our team of professionals, whatever you like for your website. Once you're done, click on publish. And the last one we're going to do is contact us, which that other website wanted to charge us, what, $2,500 for that? Oh wait, I'm sorry, I need to put in add new. I did about us, right? Or no, meet the team. Meet the team, update, and once you're done, go and click on add new and contact us. And click on publish. Now under appearance, go to menus. Click on menus. So this is our current menu right here. We have our home, about us, contact us, meet the team, and our sample page. We're going to go ahead and get rid of that sample page. We don't really need it. So click on that and click on remove. And let's see here, we have our home, about us. Let's go ahead and put the contact us like this. And I also want to teach you guys something else. If you want to make a drop-down menu, I'll teach you how to do that a little later. However, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it right now. So you see where it says about us, I can drag this and put it right here. Now you see where it says sub item. Now I'm going to go ahead and create this menu. Make this a primary menu and click save menu. So I've done this sub item right here. I'm going to show you guys what that is. So go ahead and click on visit site. Now the about us doesn't show up. However, you see meet the team right here has this little arrow right here. Now if I click on it, I have a drop down menu of about us. So you can actually make a drop down menu if you want a lot of pages, if you want one page. It really depends on your website and the magnitude of it. So I don't want the drop down menu. I want the about us up here. I want people to be able to click on it. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to dashboard, appearance, and menus. And if you want to do the drop-down menu, it's ideal for someone who has something like a category or departments. So if you have our services, and then you have a list of we do engineering, we do roofing, we do this, we do that, that would be something ideal to put a drop-down menu so you can see the list of all the services under that. However, we're not going to do that for this tutorial, so I'm going to take this and drag it over here, and now it's just right there. And I'm going to go ahead and save the menu, and I'm going to go ahead and visit the website now. All right, so it's looking good, and we can click on these, and these should be blank. There's going to be nothing there on these pages. Not to worry, we're going to make something amazing. All right, so let's go ahead and start customizing this page. So make sure you're at your home page and go ahead and click on Customize. All right, so now we have our options right here. Go ahead and click on Theme Options. Now this is our theme general options up here. Do you want to show the front page? Of course you want to show the front page. Now if you have a website logo, you can insert that in. However, I don't have one and I'm going to leave it at Wilson Roofing Co. because they do not have a logo. And if you do have a logo, you can adjust the height to maybe 60 or 55, however you want to set your logo. A Favicon is something that shows up on the top left up here. You guys can see the Hostgator, the alligator. And I used to have this other one, but I used my reset, so I don't have it no more. So if you have that, you can enter it in, or you can just simply make one. So this is my media library. I don't think I have any pictures in here. Unless the WordPress plugin didn't delete those. I don't know, but it's going a little slow. I'm going to click on Upload Files. And here are my pictures. I'm going to go ahead and upload all of these right here. This could take some time. All right, so I am uploading all of my images to WordPress right now. And what this is going to do, it's going to make it so if I have a slider, I'm going to go ahead and put them in the slider or the categories or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead, and it looks like my internet is very slow today. I'm going to go ahead and pause it really quick and let this finish. All right, so my picture's finally uploaded. That took quite a bit of time. And this is for our section right here, our logo section. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on back. I'll come back to this actually. I just had to change my mind. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do the logo just in case you have one, which I'm pretty sure you do. So right here under theme slider options, go ahead and click on theme slider options. And this is the default image. It's a very nice image. I like the way it looks. However, it's just not for us. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it. And I'm going to change this image. I'm going to go and click on select image. And I'm going to do this before and after picture. Now grab your picture, and then once you're done clicking on it, click on choose image. All right, that's my picture right there. And my client actually had a list of stuff he wants me to put on here. So I'm going to go ahead and put what they wanted me to put on there. So commercial and residential, right there. Commercial and residential. And the description, which is this stuff right here. They want me to put serving Los Angeles. Serving Los Angeles, Ventura, and Orange counties with over 35 years of experience. Click today for a free estimate. Click today for a free estimate. And this is actually going to go to our Contact Us page. So we can do that right now. Under a different browser, type in the domain that you currently have, and then click on your Contact Us button right there. Under here, go ahead and click on Control-C, Control-V, copy this, and make that your URL. So if I click on this, it's going to take us to our Contact Us page. But you know what? There's something that I want to change. I don't like this page ID right there. We're going to change this right now because if you have a website and that comes up, it's going to be really bad for your SEO. And let's go ahead and close this right here. And we want to go ahead and change that right now because I don't like the way that looks. We can go to our tools, or I think it's under users, settings, under general. Go ahead and scroll down. Nope, it's not here. I think it's permalinks. We're going to go to our permalinks. Now for your permalinks, go ahead and click on post name. Now this is the name of it, so it actually makes sense instead of this page 123. It doesn't look good, and it doesn't really recommend. Nobody recommends it because nobody wants to see what's P123. It's like, no, I want to see the sample post. I want to see what we're talking about. So once you're done, click on Save Changes. And now let's go back to our website. Click on Visit Site. And we're going to click on Customize. Our theme options. Our theme slider options. And now we have the link right there. We can go ahead and go to Wilson Roofing Co. Click on this. Now you guys can see it says Contact Us. That's what you want your website to look like. You don't want it to say P123. It doesn't look good. It looks really bad. So right here, put the link. So now when we click on that link on that slider, it's going to take us to the Contact Us page, which we're going to create in a little bit. So for slider image 2, go to remove that and select your own image. I am going to enter this house right here. All right, it's actually this next page. Boop, there it is. But this thing's, yeah, there it is. Okay, so this is it right here, and they gave me a list of stuff to put in. So I have specializing in HOA and property management. Put it right there. And then I have the year-round roofing. You're going to put what you want to put right here. It does take a lot of time, guys. I mean, it's really hard to just decide what to put in on this tutorial. It's going to take you time to figure out what you want on your website to make it look very good and, you know, make it appealing for everyone to click on. So now I have, where was I? I'll click here for a free estimate. No, right here. Click here today for a free estimate. Yeah, it looks like they wanted the same thing for all those. And I'm going to go ahead and use the Contact Us page again. And I'm going to save and publish that now. Now I'm on my third title right here. See here it says slide title 3 right here. I'm going to remove this image again, and I'm going to select my own image. And I'm going to go ahead and put, I added this one. I'm going to go ahead and put in this one right here. All right, and they have text for the third slider. Specializing in HOA management. Oh no, 35 years experience. I skipped this one, oops. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys what this looks like right when we're done. Just let me go ahead and put the license and bonded. Description 3. And the slider button, I'm assuming it's going to be the same right here. Click today for a free estimate. And the link, right there. I'm going to click on Save and Publish. So let's take a look at what I've done. Commercial residential, serving Los Angeles. It all matches. It looks good. Slider number 2, specializing HOA management year-round. Specializing in HOA management, year-round maintenance, roofing and repair. Click today for a free estimate. And the last one, which is right here, 35 years experience, licensed, bonded, and insured. Click here for a free estimate. And there it is. We've done our slider. It looks good. Congratulations. That's the most important part. You know, it actually really is the most important part because generally it takes people 2 seconds to determine if they want to stay on your website or not. And this is referred to as a bounce rate. If you have a high bounce rate, it's not good. Generally, you want to stay around 50 to 60% of bounce rates because people don't really care about your website, yet some people really care about your website. So you really want to make sure this landing page is appealing and they want to stay on your website. So let's go ahead and click on this little back arrow. So we've done our slider. Let's go and click on back. Our service options. Now the service options is right here. Our services. And we have little favicons. We have little icons right here, as you guys can see. And we're going to go ahead and have a huge list of them. So you guys can put whatever you would like. So for idea, I think they have their own little, so bubble 1, all work performed guaranteed. All right. So for service title 1, they want all work performed guaranteed. And right here we have our icons. So you can actually click on this, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Shift and click on this. It's going to open up a new page. And there is a large list of icons that we can choose from. You see all these icons we have? We can go ahead and grab any one of these icons to put for your bubbles. So all work performed guaranteed. What should I put? Maybe the check mark would look good, right? Let's go ahead and put the check mark. So go ahead and copy this. And we're going to go ahead and paste this. Now you see the check mark is there now. But make sure that little period is not there. If you put the period there, it's going to come up as a blank bubble. You don't want it like that. That doesn't look good. We don't want that. So make sure there's no period. All work performed guaranteed. All right, so once we're done, I'm going to go to the service 1 text, which is this section right here. I just deleted it, and I have my own text I'm going to put in there. You're going to have your own text that you're going to put in there. Copy this. Designer composition shingles, clay and concrete tile roofs, and all flat roof systems. Whatever that is, that's what we guarantee. All right? So our service title 2, which is right here, it says our records. Right here, records. So they have their own little, they have roof repairs. So I'm going to go ahead and put roof repairs right here. Roof repairs. And our icon, you know, let's go ahead and take a look again. I kind of want to, what's good for roof repair? Let's go take a look. Let's go see what would be ideal for something like roof repairs. You know, we could add the heart. You know, that would look good. You know, like we care for you kind of thing. Or something with the flag looks, you know, patriotic. It looks American. All right. Anyways, we're gonna add the heart. You know, just, you know, we repaired it. You know, like a broken heart. You know, repaired it. Roof repairs. All right, we got our little heart there, and I'm gonna go ahead and put in temporary repairs right here. Oh, right here. So I've added in our text for our roof repairs, and now we have our third bubble. Right here it says WordPress, and the client wanted restoration and maintenance. Is that how you spell maintenance? Oh, this is what they gave me. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's not. They spelled it wrong. It's okay. All right. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and put that. And I need to change that icon, obviously. I cannot have that icon. So I'm going to go back to our page right here. And restoration and maintenance. Maybe this little drop of water, you know, like a leaky roof or something. Restoration and maintenance. What would look good for that? You know, I think I'm just going to go with that drop of water. Because, you know, raining, roof, stuff like that. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And now I'm going to go ahead and put it right here. All right, restoration maintenance. And they have their text that they want to add. Right here. All right, our services part is complete. We are done with our services part. So once you've added your own information for your own website, go to click on Save and Publish. And guys, feel free to pause the video at any time and think about what you're going to put, because it does take a lot of time. I mean, you're making a website. I just have this pre-built already. I've had everything already given to me by the customer. So feel free to take your time, no rush. You know, this is, you know, your heart and soul right here. So once we're done, click on Back. And now we have our portfolio option. And our portfolio option right here is our recent works. I'm going to go ahead and put our recent roofs. Our recent roofs. You see the title has changed. If you don't want this portfolio, you can delete it. However, I don't recommend that. But if you don't want to have it, you don't have to. No harmful, no foul. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this one. I mean, that's a pretty cool looking Lamborghini. All right, I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to select an image. I'm going to add this right here. And this right here, I think they didn't really add a description in there. No, they did not. So I'm going to go ahead and put in clay tile shingles. And I'm going to leave this blank for now. And we have our image number 2. And right here, I'm going to go ahead and remove this right here. This beautiful Lamborghini. Oh, as you guys can see right here, clay tile shingles comes up. And we have this, you can click on it. However, for the link, I did not put a link yet. But if you have a link for a picture that you want to show, you're going to put in your link right there. All right, so I'm going to go to image number 2, remove this Lamborghini. I should probably just leave it in there as a joke, just to say, hey, look at a bunch of roofs and then a Lamborghini out of nowhere, it's crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and add in this roof right here. And I'm going to enter in cemented shingles. And now we see our image has changed. And this girl right here, gotta say goodbye to her. And select image. And I'm going to select the house. And this is going to be masonry tile shingles. And I'm just going to click Save and Publish. And this last one, that is looking pretty cool. You guys are having a blast. That is pretty. I should leave this. I should really leave it, but I'm not going. I gotta take it out. Select the image, and I'm gonna go ahead and put in this one for last one. And right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put shingles. I don't know. Fireproof. All shingles are supposed to be fireproof. I know that, but okay. So we have our pictures right here. I'm going to click on Save and Publish. All right. So once we're done right there, you've entered in all your information in. Like I said, take your time. Feel free to just kind of go at your pace. Pause the video. Make sure you have exactly what you want and you link it correctly. Remember, if you don't know what a URL is, I'm just going to go ahead and show you. So it says right here, link 1. You're just going to backspace right here. And let's say you go to Hostgator right here, or I'm sorry, this right here. This is your URL. So you're just going to copy this, and you're just going to paste it in there. And that will take you to the portal, or that will take you to wherever you want it to go. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it blank. I'm going to click on Save and Publish, and let's go ahead and click on Back. Our home blog option. So this is our blog right here. This is where we're actually going to put in our posts. So we're actually going to do this in a different section. But I don't like latest blog. I want something else that looks a little bit better. The company news. Something that looks better. The company news. I like that better. It looks better. It looks cleaner. Good. Click on Save and Publish. Let's go and click on Back. Social options. Now for your email address, this is going to show up on the top up here. And you guys can see we have Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, all these social icons. And if you don't have them, you don't have to put anything. You can just go ahead and delete it. So for example, this Twitter right here, say I don't use Twitter. Just go ahead and backspace it, and the Twitter button will disappear. Right here, I'm going to enter in an email address. See the Twitter button? It's gone. It's no more. All right, so I'm going to go up here, and I have an email address, sam@wilsonroofingco.com. Feel free to email her if you need a new roof. And a phone number. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the phone. They didn't give me a phone. Oh, well, that's too bad. I probably have one. That's okay. They don't really have any social media. They've asked me to install it, so I will do that on another time. But remember, you're going to enter your page right here. And remember, make sure it's not private. So I'm going to give you an example. This is a very common mistake with a lot of people where they link their profile. So if I go to my profile, oh, my friends are messaging me. So I'm going to go to my profile right here. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in like this. If I do that and they click on it, it's going to say this is not available because my profile is private. You need to create a page where people can click on it publicly. So to do that, I have a page right here. Oh, the Trump debate. I watched it. It was those guys are yelling at each other. They're at each other's throats. It's pretty intense. So anyways, my page right here under Darrel Wilson. Click on Darrel Wilson. This is my page. I make websites for free. I make I post right here how to make a WordPress site, for free. People like my page. This right here, I'm going to copy, and I'm going to put it in here. So now if they click on this, it will take them to my page. However, keep in mind, if your profile is private, it will not go anywhere. Okay? All right. So I'm glad we've talked about that, and we can move on. I'm going to go and click on Save and Publish. And the phone number, which they did not give me. I think they changed their phone number recently, so I have nothing to put in. Maybe they did on this page. Let's see here. Oh, they did. Okay. So I have a phone number right here. And I'm going to enter that in right there. Now, up here, the phone number has changed, and they don't have any of these other icons. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all these other ones. All right, once we're done, click on Save and Publish. And all we have left is the Facebook page, which is going to link to my page. And you can always disable this if you don't want social media icons, if you don't want it, if you're not a big fan of it. You can delete it, however, I always recommend it because it just looks good, more professional that you're involved with the community. So once we're done, go ahead and save it. Click on Back. Our footer callout options. So right here, we have another option right here. You don't have to have this, however, it just looks more professional. You can add something right here to sort of encourage people to click on a link or click on to your Contact Us page or something that you would like them to look at. So right here, I have our team of professionals are here to help you and get the best price. They spelled professionals wrong. I'm just going to put a team of pros. All right. Our team of pros are here to help you and get the best price. And instead of more features, we have get your free quote. And right here, this is a link. So remember, we want to link them to the Contact Us page like we did before. We always want them to go to our Contact Us page because this is not an e-commerce website. So we don't really have any products that we want to link to. I mean, what are they going to do? Sell a roof on the internet? That would be nuts. One of these days, who knows? I don't know. Go and click on Save and Publish. Once you're done entering all this information, click on Save and Publish. All right. So now that we've done that, let's go ahead and click on Back. And our footer options. So you can go ahead and decide to give them credit, the Enigma theme. I'm going to go ahead and delete all of this. I'm going to go ahead and put my websites because I helped create this website. www.darrelwilson.com, and theme developed by, I will give them credit, and I'm going to put well, I'm going to go ahead and put Darrel Wilson. See how that looks. I really like giving these people credit. I mean, they spend a lot of time making these themes. I don't want to take that away from them. Developed by, I'm just going to go leave that blank. Website made by Darrel Wilson. All right, website made by Darrel Wilson. Really sorry, I'm going to go ahead and just not give them credit, but I probably will change this later because I always like to give WordPress theme designers credit because they spend a lot of work and time making WordPress very easy for us. So I really want to give them feedback and show them appreciation. So once we're done, click on the back, and that's it. Now right here it says upgrade to Enigma Premium. We don't want to do this. All they do is give us templates. They actually do make it a lot easier for us to make the website and faster by giving us templates. However, we're not going to pay for that because that's pretty expensive, and there are much better themes that we can purchase besides this Enigma theme. So once we're done, go and click on back, and let's go ahead and take a look at our website. Let's make sure everything is working correctly. So our Facebook button right here, we click on it, we go to my website. we go to our my fan page, and click here today for a free estimate. We're gonna click on it, takes us to our contact us page. Okay, click on back. Our recent roofs. We don't have any links. That's okay. Company news. Get your free quote. Oh, go and click on it. Takes us to our contact us page. So the last thing we need to do on this page is put in a blog. So right here under company news, we have this hello world. All WordPress themes come like this, and we're going to go ahead and change that right now. So under here, go to your dashboard, and this is how you're going to control your blog for all your future posts. So if you have news or something you want to release to the community or tell them about your company, you're going to do it from here. So under posts, click on add new, or actually click on all posts because we want to get rid of this hello world. Hello world. Move to trash. And let's go ahead and add a new post. Welcome to our company. Thank you for visiting. Oh, I'm sorry. You know what? Before we begin, whenever you do this, you want to do it under visual. You never want to do it under text. Text is where you want to enter in your code, such as you want to enter in a YouTube video, or if you want to enter in a Google Maps code. So make sure you do it under your visual section. And let's see if I have any text right here. I don't have any text. But what we're going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and use this as dummy text right now. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and enter this right here. Copy that. And I'm going to go ahead and publish this now. Once we're done, I'm going to click on add new and add in a second one. Click on add new. And let's see what I have here. Yeah, okay. Roofing at 14. And I'm going to go ahead and put that. I guess, 30 years ago you can do that. So go ahead and click on publish. And now let's go ahead and visit the website. Let's go ahead and scroll down. And now we can see that this is looking good. We have our blog post right here, an article they can read about, and you're releasing information about the company. So congratulations, we've made our homepage, which is the most important part of a website. Believe me, as I told you before, it takes someone about 2 seconds to click off your website. So you want to make sure that your website looks good, and you also want to tell them what your website is about. I've seen other tutorials where they just have these big beautiful pictures where it says like amazing, beautiful, these big words, but that doesn't really tell anybody about your website. You want people to know what you're about right away so they're interested and they stay and they look on your website. So next we're going to go ahead and click on meet the team. Now this is where things can get a little trickier. We want to go ahead and install something that's going to allow us to build the pages. And we also want to get rid of this ugly sidebar right here. We don't need this sidebar right here. So to do that, let's go ahead and first delete the sidebar. Over here under dashboard, now we're going to go down to appearance and we're going to go to widgets. Those are called widgets. These right here are widgets, and we want to go ahead and delete all of these. We don't want these widgets here. So go ahead and click on delete. Right here, click on delete. Recent comments, delete. Archives, delete, yes. And delete this. And meta, delete. Alright, so now we've done that, we want to install Site Origin Page Builder. We want to be able to install a plugin that's going to allow us to build our website. So under plugins right here, go ahead and click on plugins. Alright, so we clicked on plugins. Now I've already installed these, however I'm going to show you how to do it. So we want to go ahead and install Page Builder by Site Origin. Okay, so if you're brand new to this, you're going to click on plugins and add new. And under search plugins, you're going to type in Page Builder by Site Origin, and you're going to press enter. And you're going to get this right here, Page Builder by Site Origin. You're going to click on it and install it. All right, so you click on it, install it, and you're going to activate it. So right here, Site Origin, you're going to click on activate. You would have done that at the other page, so make sure you click install and then make sure you click activate, and it'll come up right here as your plugins. And the next one you're going to install is oh yeah, I did it backwards. You're going to install Site Origin Widgets Bundle. You want to install that one. So under add new, click on add new. Right here, type in Site Origin Widgets Bundle. Press enter, and you're going to get this one right here. 400,000 reviews or installs, very good reviews. And you're going to click install, and then you're going to click on activate. So I'll show you guys an example. Install now, and then you're going to click on activate plugin, just like that. I'm going to deactivate that plugin. I was just doing that example, so right here. All right. So now that you've installed both plugins, we're going to go ahead and build our pages. Now there are other plugins which I will introduce you to, but for now we're not going to use them. So let's go ahead and go to our website again. And now let's click on Meet the Team. All right, and now we're going to go ahead and click on Edit Page. And before we begin, I want to go ahead and click on this default template right here and make it full width. This will make it so our page is full width, so it doesn't have that nasty sidebar that we had. Once you're done, click on Update. Alright, so Page Builder. There's several ways to do this, everybody. I like to do it the easy way. I want to make a website fast, yet also efficiently and looking good. We can create this website several different ways with Page Builder. So this is Page Builder. And I'm just going to go ahead and introduce you guys to a pre-built layout, and we'll work from there. So right here under pre-built, go and click on pre-built. And it's going to ask you right here, do you want to browse the pre-built layouts directory? Click on enable. Now these are pre-built layouts for us, and I really highly recommend looking through these because it will give you ideas on how to structure your website and how to make it look good, because getting tips and help from other people really will help you improve creating websites. So I'm going to go ahead and just take a look. There's not too many here. You know, we have, they all have their different styles. You know, this right here, it looks good. And it's going to look something like this. You know, this would be good if you're into the, furniture industry and you want to show people a showcase. This would be good. This would look very good. But we're not going to do that. So for us, let's go ahead and take out About Simple. Let's go ahead and preview this one right here. You know, kind of like this one. I think we're going to use this one. So hold on really quick. So this is Meet the Team. Okay, so I'm going to go back to pre-built, and I want something that has Meet the Team. So let's go ahead and see what we can add in here. All right. About Adventure. Let's go and take a look at this one. You know what? I want this one. But I don't want these other things up here. I don't need them because I just don't think it looks good on our website. it's not, it does look good. It's not for this page. So I'm going to go ahead and see this right here, about adventure. I'm going to click on use. I want to use this one. Go ahead and click on OK. All right, now it's completely built the page for us. It's done everything for us. All we have to do is simply copy the information in, add in the pictures, and we're done. So I'm going to go and click on update. Let me get some water. I'm kind of under the weather today, but I promised them this would be done soon. All right, so go ahead and click on preview changes now. All right, we're going, we're working. And this picture is a little distorted. Not to worry, we can fix this, but I don't really want this anyways. The best places you've never been, and it has dummy text right here, another box right here with a call to action button. But I just want this page right here. I just want this. Oh, that lady's just looking weird. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go back to editing this page. And right here, Site Origin Hero, I don't want this right here. This was the picture. I don't want this. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. And I'm going to go ahead and click right here and delete the row. Now go ahead and click on update, and I want to show you what that's done. Click on preview changes, and I'm going to go ahead and back to this. Now as you guys can see, the image is gone. It's gone from this right here. I'm going to go back, and all these right here, I don't want it. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this and delete the row. And this was the other part right here. I don't want this either. Now delete the row. Yes, I'm sure. Now we're left with this and those 3 pictures. I'm going to go and click on update. And let's go and take a look at what we've done. Click on preview changes. And now we have our pictures just with these 3 people. And this is exactly what we want. Now, now let's go ahead and edit this right now. So let's go back and excuse me, I had tortilla chips. Go and click on edit and meet the team. So it's all over here, meet the team to take you there. Now I want to put just meet the team. So go ahead and put meet the team. And don't worry about this tag. Now for our font, if you want a certain font, go ahead and put that in. I'm going to leave it at Open Sans. The color, I want to leave it black. And I want to center it. I want it in the center. I don't want it on the left. I don't want it on the right. And now we have our sub headline. So if you go back, this is our sub headline here. So I'm going to go ahead and put right here, meet the team of roofing pros. And our font, I recommend leaving it all the same. So Open Sans, and then our color, leave it on black. And I want to center it as well. I don't want it on the left. I don't want it on the right. And we have our divider right here. We're just going to go ahead and leave this right here. This is the part right here. Want to leave that because it looks clean and good. And once we're done, click on done and click on update. All right, so now we want to go ahead and change the pictures and everything from this right here. So under the Site Origin Editor, you're going to click on Edit. And now we see right here John Doe. And just like right here, we see John Doe. And then we have our subheadline and a little description about them. So if you have a company, you're going to go ahead and put your name right here. The pictures are coming soon. They promised me. And right here, we're going to go ahead and enter in whatever you want to talk about this person. And once you're done, click on Done and Update. Now we have our second box. And her name is Samantha. I don't know her last name. And she is the admin. And right here, I'm going to leave it blank because they're going to send me description. However, you are going to put in your description right here. Click on Done. And this last one, I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. Now I'm left with just three rows. It doesn't really look good. So I want to go ahead and change that. So to do that, go ahead and click on this right here and click on Edit Row. Now I'm left with this right here, 33.3%. Did you know a pie can never be cut equally? I mean, there's always that 0.1 missing. Anyways, I want to go ahead and put it under 2. Go ahead and click on Done. And now we have just 2. We have Richard Wilson and Samantha. Click on Update. And now let's click on Preview Changes. Let's see what I've done. Now we have our picture right here of Samantha and Richard Wilson. So we can go ahead and go back, and now let's go ahead and add in something else. Let's go ahead and learn how to use this page builder now. I like to use the themes because it does save you a lot of time and effort. However, if you want to add in your own stuff, let's do that. So right here, let's go ahead and add a row first. And if you want like a 3 widgets or you want 4 widgets in there, you can add, I don't even know how many you can add. You can add in up to 8. However, we're just going to add in maybe 3 right here. Click on Insert. And now we have this row right here of 3 boxes. And before we begin, I want to drag it down below those pictures. Right there. Now under here, I can add in something. Here I can add in something. And here I can add in something. So to do that, I'm going to click on this box and click on Add a Widget. And there's several things we can enter in. We can enter in a button, such as a call to action button. We can enter in a text. We can add in a picture. We can add in anything that you want to make to build your website. This is your website. We want to make it look good. So let's go ahead and click on Site Origin button. And I'm going to click on Edit. The button text, for now, I'm just going to go ahead and put read more about us. And right there, I'm just going to go ahead and put in a little dash. And we want to put in open a new window. What that means is that when they click on the button, it's going to take them to another page. However, it's going to keep this page open. So it's going to be a pop-up. Now under icon, we can put something, we have the Amazon logo right there. Like this. And the icon color, let's say I want it purple. The image icon, no, we don't want that. Design and layouts, we can center the button. We can put it on the right or the left. The button color, let's go ahead and put this color. The text color will be black. And I want it very rounded, yes. Font size normal, padding, okay, medium. Now click on Done and Update. And now let's see what that has done. Now we have our Meet the Team. Now see right here, read more about us. Now, of course, I'm not going to really put this on the website. It's a purple button that looks really ugly. However, this is what those widgets do. Now I can add in more. I can go back here, click on this, and I can add in another button. Whatever you want to add in to your website to make it look good. So let's go ahead and add another widget. Let's go ahead and practice a little. We're going to click on Add Widget. And let's say I want to enter in Site Origin Hero. And let's click on Edit. Now this is something where you can add in a picture. So under Hero Frames, you can click on Add. And now go ahead and click on Frame. And you can add in something like the most amazing guy ever. And you can click on something like this. But right now we're going to add in media to this. So right here under Media, we can enter in this picture. Or enter in this. And insert it into page. Now it's going to look terrible because it's under a 33% margin, which is not really ideal for this. So it's going to look bad, but that's okay. So once we're done, you can click on Done, or if you want to add in more stuff like a background color, right here you can enter in a URL. So if they click on this button, it's going to take them somewhere else. So I'm going to click on Done and click on Update. Now I want to click on Preview Changes. So now we've added this in, the best guy, the most amazing guy ever, and that is the widget right here. And remember, we entered in 33%. So if I entered in a single row, it's going to cover this whole page right here. So this is really fun, so you can actually design your website. However, I just want to stick to the templates. I want it something professional looking, and I don't want to have to work too hard. Excuse me. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all this right here. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this row. All right, see you later. And I'm going to go and click on Update. So now I'm done with Meet the Team. I've done Meet the Team. Of course, those aren't the real pictures, but they're going to send them to me, I hope. And now we're going to go to our dashboard. Or I'm sorry, visit website. And now let's go to the About Us section. So let's go to Meet the Team, and our Meet the Team is complete. We have our Meet the Team right here. Looking good. Meet the Team of Pros. Now let's go to About Us. Now let's go ahead and click on Edit Page. And remember, this right here we need to get rid of by making it a full width page. So click on Edit Page. Template, you want to do Full Page Template. Click on Update. That's going to make it so it gets rid of that ugly sidebar. Now we want to go to our Page Builder right here. So right now click on Page Builder. And like I said, I like the pre-built layouts because it takes a lot of time out of your hands. I mean, you can spend hours making a page and then just decide, hey, this isn't really good, I don't like it. So go ahead and click on the pre-built. And now this is for About Us. So they've already have About Us right here. We can take a look, or we can add in something like these. Whatever you like to add in. However, I'm going to go ahead and do About Simple. And I'm going to go Use. All right. So I'm going to click on Update now. And I want to see what we've done to the site on About Us page. Click on Preview Changes. And now we see this picture right here, who we are, what we do, a team that loves to create, keep it simple, and it looks good. But you know, I want to enter in maybe a call to action button, and I want to enter in something else. You know, I want to add in a little bit more to this. So to do that, let's go click on Edit Page. Oh, I have too many tabs open. You know, for now, I'm going to go ahead and close all these tabs I have. I have a lot of tabs open. And my Facebook. Ugh, they always message me when I'm doing a video. Like, it never fails. It really doesn't. Okay, so right here, let's say, for example, I want to add something. So I'm going to click on Add a Row. And I just want to put 1. Now I have a row right here. Now I kind of want to enter in a slider. I kind of want to enter in something a little unique. So now I'm going to click on Add Widget and Site Origin Slider. And right here, I'm going to click on Edit, Add Frames. I'm going to click on Add, and Add again. So this is 1 picture, and this is 2 pictures. So go ahead and click on Frame. Now we're left with these options right here. So for my background image, I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and I want to enter in this house. I'm going to click on Set Media, and I'm going to leave this blank. For cover, I want to put Tile, and foreground image, I don't want anything. But I do want a destination URL. So let's say you want to put in .darrelwilson.com. Open in a new window. And this right here, you're going to control your animation speed. So 800 milliseconds. I want 400. And timeouts, that's if you leave it on for a long time. Navigation style, you can go ahead and leave it on thin. You can tweak this if you'd like. However, it's very good standard. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Done. And now I'm going to go ahead and go back to Edit, and we have a second picture that we wanted to add. So right here under Frame, click on Frame, and let's go ahead and do background image, and we're going to enter in this house, right? Or we're entering this one. Okay, Set Media, and destination URL, we can put www.wilson, or we can put, I don't know, my other one, and open up in a new window. And same thing, 400 seconds. And let's go ahead and click on Done. And Update. Now let's see what we've done with this slider that we've added in. Click on Preview Changes. So here's our About Us, About Simple. And now we can see this house right here. It looks very crisp and clean. And there you go. It's going to add in work that we've done so far. We can delete this right here and just have this slider in as well. I'll probably end up doing that. Yeah, I kind of like this slider. And if you click on it, remember, it's going to take you to the URL destination. So if I click on that, it takes me to darrelwilson.com. So for your website, it's going to take this other one I have, webdesign.com, which I've made both. And remember, it's going to take you to another website. Now we have this who we are, a team that loves to create. What we do, keep it simple. So let's go ahead and change this right here. Click on Edit Page. Now the Site Origin Hero, I'm going to go ahead and delete that. Because remember, I just want the slider. So this right here, I'm going to delete this row. Delete this row. Yep, your history. Delete the row. Yep. Okay, so now we have our headline right here. This is our headline. And now remember, it's who we are. So remember, you don't want to get too complicated with this. You just want to go ahead and change your text. So who we are, a team that loves to create. So meet the roofing pros. We make roofs very easy. And after you're done, leave all this. We like it the way it is. We want the pre-built the way it is. It looks good. It looks clean. Looks professional. Go ahead and click on Done and Update. All right, now let's preview changes. So we can scroll down and meet the roofing pros. And we made roofs very easy. And you're going to enter in your own description right here. You're going to enter in something that you want to enter in, saying, you know, hey, talk about yourself, and you know, make yourself look good. Sell yourself. You know, make them want to buy something from you. Next, we're going to go ahead and go to our other widget right here, Edit, and the same thing. What we do, we make the best roofs, and keep it simple. We do business in all of Southern California. And click on Done and Update. And go ahead and click on Preview Changes now. So this is our About Us section, and as you guys can tell, it's starting to come along really well. It looks good. Right here, you're going to enter in your dummy text. You're going to enter in what you want to enter in about your website. However, I'm doing it for a client, so they're going to tell me what to put in there. Next, we're going to go ahead and do our Contact Us page, which is our most important page, because on this theme, there is a small error. And like I've told you guys in all of my videos, WordPress is not perfect. And I'm going to go ahead and explain that right now. So right here, go and click on Edit Page. All right, and now that we're brought to this page right here, and before we begin, under the template right here, we want to go ahead and put full page width. And next, we want to go to our page builder. Just go ahead and close that box. And then next, we're going to go to pre-built. And we're going to go to, I like the simple business one. This one looks good. Let's go and use this one. I'm going to click on use. Okay. Now I'm going to click on update. Let's go and preview changes. Now we have our Contact Us form page. Looks very good. We can change this right here. Our information. I don't have I don't have any of these other social icons, so I'm gonna have to get rid of them. So let's go and edit this page. So next, let's click on Edit Page, and our headline. Click on Edit. So contact us. Contact us for more info. And I'm going to put, we are always here to help. Click on Done. Now I want to go to our contact form page. Click on Edit. If you want to change any of these, you feel free to. However, I like the way it's edited. I like the way it looks. Let's go and click on Your Name. And right here it says Your Name. If you wanted to say something different in that box, you would type that in. But I'm going to go ahead and leave this standard. So I'm going to click on Done. And now for Site Origin Headline, click on Edit. And prefer personal touch, try this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put something else. What should I put here? We are available 24/7. And I'm just going to go ahead and just put that in there. Click on Done. Now for our social media buttons, I don't have these other ones right here. So you can go ahead and click on Add and click on Select Network. And right here, you're given a drop-down menu. You have a lot of different things to choose from. And let's say you have a Tumblr. Click on Tumblr. And it automatically sets the background color icon for you. So that's nice. But I'm going to go ahead and delete these because I don't really have these right here. So I'm going to go ahead and delete. Delete. And for our Facebook right here, you can enter in your URL. Now remember, don't put in your profile, put in your fan page. So if they click on it, it'll take you to the fan page. Because if you don't, it's going to take you to a blocked profile. So once you're done, click on Done, and go ahead and click on Update. Now we're going to go ahead and click on Preview Changes. Voila. And here we go. Looks very nice. Now I mentioned earlier in the video that this theme does have problems. For some reason, when you send emails to this, it doesn't really go to your it goes to your inbox. However, it goes to your spam. And I've tested it before, and right here I have my spam folder, and right here I did a test run before and it shows up in my spam folder. However, I have something to fix that, and it's a plugin. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and install a plugin. So let's go ahead and go to, let's go ahead and close these other tabs really quick. So right here, I'm going to click on Updates. And I'm going to close these other tabs. When you click on Preview Changes, it opens up a new window, and it's very easy to get confused. I really need to stop doing that. So anyways, let's go ahead and go to Plugins. Click on Plugins. All right. Now, the plugin that we're going to install is called Postman SMPT. So under here, I'm going to go and copy this. You're going to go to Add New, and you're going to go type in Postman SMPT. And you're given this one right here, Postman SMPT Mailer. So you're going to install it and then activate it. And it has 50,000 reviews with very good ratings. It's a very, very well-designed plugin. And Jason Hendricks, the guy who did it, amazing job. So next we're going to go to Installed Plugins. And I need to activate it because I have it already installed. So right here I'm going to click on Activate. And now that we've activated it, we can go to our settings. And it's very easy to use. It's not confusing. Trust me, I've looked around for a bunch of them. This is by far the best one. So go ahead and click on Start the Wizard. And simply just follow the directions. So the email address, this is my email address I'm using. And the name, click on Next. It's actually fetching the hostname information for us. There we go. Click on Next. And we just have to wait. It's going to establish the email address for us. All right, it's almost done. That 1 second takes forever, just like a cell phone. Okay, so right here it says Postman recommends port 587. So we're going to make sure it's the port they recommend, 587. Once you're done, click on Next. And now right here, we're given a client ID and a client secret ID, and they also give us this right here. So we need to go ahead and do that. So right here, under the Google Developers Console Gmail Wizard, we're going to go ahead and click on that. And hold Shift and click on it, because then it'll open up a new box. And go ahead and select the email. So mine was Tassel03. And I'm going to enter my password in. And now it's fetching the API details. It's getting my information for me. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new project. Continue. All right, we're working. Just give it some time. It takes a little bit of time to do this. All right, so it's created it. Now let's go to our credentials. All right, so our Gmail API, that's correct. And we want to go ahead and put it as a web server. And we want to do it as user data. And then go ahead and put which credentials do I need. And now this part right here, it actually, our website gave this information to us. So I'm going to go ahead and merge these together. For this right here, author JavaScript origins, we're going to go ahead and put in this right here. There. And then also for our redirect URI, copy this, and you can put it right here. And we can put, I don't know. You can just leave it as web client 1. Sure, why not? And then I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Client ID. All right, and I'm just going to go ahead and put Postman something right there. And this is going to be, it's going to show up in your email. So it's going to let you know it's coming from the website. So once you're done, click on continue. All right. So it looks like we're done. This is our client ID right here. So go ahead and click on done. Now we have this right here. Go ahead and click on web client 1. And this is our web client. Go ahead and copy this. Go back to our website under client ID. You're going to post it right there. Go back here. Under client secret, you're going to copy this and you're going to put it right there. And now go ahead and click on next. Go ahead and click on finish. My LastPass wants to remember this. Oh, I love this app. But no, not right now. All right, so now that we've done this, we need to give Google permission. So go ahead and click on hold shift and press grant permission with Google. Go ahead and click on allow. All right, successful, it's done. So let's go ahead and send a test email. Let's go ahead and make sure that this is working correctly. So let's go ahead and send a test email. Click on next, make sure that's your correct email address. All right, it is sending. All right, it was delivered. Now we can go check. So go ahead and click on finish. Now let's go ahead and check our email. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this one because we have this one right here. I'm gonna go and click on my inbox, and we just need to give it some time. All right, there it is. So this is our welcome email. So now we know that the emails coming from the website are working and they're going to end up in our inbox, because it's very frustrating for WordPress. Trust me, I've done a lot of WordPress themes and I always end up it going to spam, and I go, why is it going to spam? It's so frustrating. This plugin will save you a lot of time and effort. So now let's go back to our website and take a look, and let's reevaluate everything that we've done. So we have our home page right here. We have our email, we have our phone number, our services, our recent roofs, the company news. Everything looks very well. Meet the team. And I'm just going to wait for them to send me pictures. But you're going to enter in your pictures in. About us. We make the best roofs. Of course, I'm going to wait for them to send me some information. And then we have our contact us page. Now guys, I really want to go ahead and congratulate you guys for doing this. We've actually finished the website. We've made sure everything is working down to the contact us page, down to our links, and we've saved ourselves thousands of dollars. We've seen those other websites where they go ahead and they charge us, like, you know, remember $5,000 for a web design prices. They charge us maybe $5,000 just for the tool. Or no, what was it? Yeah, $5,000 for a do-it-yourself tool. This is absolutely crazy. You don't need this. You need something simple, and this is what we've made. This is very ideal for someone who's just getting by, who just needs a website for their, yeah, you might not have a high amount of traffic, but yet every business today needs a website. And I also want to show you guys something really quick before you go. I want to show you guys about a logo. Now, a lot of these companies out there will charge you $500 to $1,000 just for a logo. It's crazy. You don't need to do that. I will give you the best place to go for logos. You're going to go to Fiverr.com, and right here, you're going to enter in logo design. So we've entered in logo design on Fiverr.com, and all these people right here will make very high quality logos for you for $5. Let's go ahead and click on one. This person has 10 ratings. And this is a very nice looking logo. And they have examples, their portfolios. So make sure you get it from them. There are free websites you guys can use. However, for the amount of quality you're going to get for $5, I would definitely recommend going to Fiverr and getting a logo from one of these people, because they are very good. And I've used them for a lot of my logos. And I know that they will not disappoint you. So that's about it. Thanks for watching my video. If you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to go to my website, darrelwilson.com, And in one of my videos, I'm going to show you how to add a video background here and also an affiliate website. Because I like the way this looks. When you have a video in the background, it really grabs attention, just like my Contact Me page, which I've added before. It looks very unique and amazing. So thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know if I did bad, if I did good. And congratulations on your new website. I know it's very difficult, but you've saved a lot of money and you've done it. My name is Darrell Wilson, and I'm signing out.